News 19 continues to follow the latest with the leaked Supreme Court draft suggesting the overturning of Roe v. Wade.
Right now, abortions are still legal in Alabama. News 19's Emily Mosner joins us now live in Huntsville, outside of one of only 3 clinics in the entire state to perform abortions. So, Emily, what could change with this Supreme Court decision?
Good evening. Well, if the Supreme Court does overturn Roe versus Wade, then abortions would come to a halt at the clinic here behind me. But right now, the timeline on when all that could happen is still a little bit unclear.
If you were wanting this decision to be back in the state's hands so that Alabama can have their own law, Georgia can have their own law, California can have their own law, then I think it's a very positive sign.
Some Alabama lawmakers in favor of banning abortions welcomed the news of the leaked draft opinion suggesting the Supreme Court's intent to overturn Roe versus Wade, including Alabama Representative Terry Collins of Decatur.
I am very hopeful that that is the final decision. What this will do is put this decision back in the state's hands.
Collins sponsored the Human Life Protection Act, which was signed by Governor Ivey in 2019. It's what's called a pre-Roe abortion ban. That act totally bans abortion in the state with no exceptions for rape or incest. If Roe versus Wade is overturned, the Alabama law could go into place shortly after, putting a stop to abortions across the state. Right now, only 3 clinics in Alabama still perform them. That includes the Alabama Women's Center, or the Alabama Center for Reproductive Alternatives, as it prefers to be called. I reached out to the center today. Representatives were unable to go on camera, but told me they were shocked by the news of the leak and said the potential of overturning Roe versus Wade is, quote, just unbelievable. They said they will continue to perform abortions until they are required to stop. Now, I also reached out to the state Attorney General's office for comment. Attorney General Steve Marshall told me, quote, the Supreme Court should have overruled Roe a long time ago and should do so now, end quote. Reporting live in Huntsville tonight, Emily Mosner, News 19.